low and slow on the big green egg today. What do we got? Oh, we got some ribs. And like I say, low and slow. We got some chives down there that help flavor it. We're going to throw some garlic in there too, just for the flavoring and the smoke. Why wouldn't I? And we're putting a baby back river Sweet Dave's sauce on near the end for sure. The ribs are 4 hours in. Let's take a peek. Oh, they look like they're doing pretty good. They just smoking along there nice and slow at a low temperature. Why wouldn't they? They cooking good. Gotta strike because of the music. So these are the ribs today. We'll have to mute that song out. Let's see how these taste when we get them in our mouth. And there's the ribs off the grill. We sit down with some guests. I already started eating mine. Man, they're delicious. The meat falls right off the bone. And the wife made some beautiful homemade potato salad like she always does. So until next time, have a good day, whatever.